Hi guys, so today I'm going to be helping you guys find fidget toys and toca boca. So let's get on with it. Okay, so I'm here at the house. I'm gonna grab this box for to put my stuff in. I'm gonna grab this box for the fidgets. And then as you can see right here, there's a dog. I'm gonna get the dog. Put it in there. And then I'm gonna go to the other place now. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the apartment and Hi. Okay. So in this room you're gonna wanna find this. It's like a poppet. There. Okay, so I'm here at the high school dorms, and I think it's over here. And over here, you can just find this plushie. It can be like a squishy or whatever. Okay, so now I'm at the snow area, and let me just drink my hot chocolate quickly. Tell you guys where it is. So it's over here, and in here, slime. And this could be squishies. So let me just get the box. Just put this in the box. If you want, you can get the alligator right here, but I don't want it. Now at the next place. Okay, so now I'm at the free store, and we're gonna go. Wait, there's actually one right here, a squishy, and then a needle, or I don't know, anything you want. Basically with that ball. So anything these marbles. So I'll put 3 marbles. And then this doll. Okay, on to the next place. Now for this place. There are a lot. This, and this could be a water timer. And yeah, that's all. This cake could be a squishy. On to the next place. Okay, so this place, I think it's called I can't remember what it's called. But if you go here, you can see octopuses. So the octopuses could be squishies. And to the next place. For this one, you want to go to the Boom Boom theme park and go to the 2nd level. And you're gonna find these. Just try to get them. Or you can just get them. I want the seashell. Put this one back. Another place is this place. So if you go over in the room, you can see like this. Okay, so I put some of my fidgets that I could fit in here, but I think I'm gonna need more boxes because that one won't go in. So then I think I'm gonna need to go to the house and get more boxes. Okay, so I got a new basket. Let's just put my fidgets in. So then I have 2 baskets. Oh, maybe the poppet wouldn't fit, but I think all the other stuff will fit. Maybe it will fit in this one. Okay, so it doesn't fit in both of them. But I mean, you still have your poppet. But bye guys. And if you're wondering what this room is that has like all of these stuff, it's for my jams. But I hope you guys like the video and subscribe. Bye.